Hey guys, it's Mike and Susan from Love to Wander. We got our trusty little oven out again today. We are doing some trail pizzas, but we're doing them here in the backyard because we're not able to get out today. But we got our two 8-inch pans, pizza pans, and we're using biscuit, cheesy garlic biscuit batter, or dough, I guess you'd call it. Okay, so the biscuit is the cheesy garlic, and you just make that as per the instructions. Half cup of water. We add a little flour to it to make it so that it's not so sticky, and then we let it sit for like 20 minutes. Just let it sit and dry out a little bit. Okay, now that we've got the cheese on it, Susan's going to be putting some pepperonis. Like I said, we got some bell pepper, got some sausage, and we got some onions. I'm back over here at the oven. It's about 375 right now. I don't know if you can see the gauge, but have the flame on just barely. We're gonna try to keep it around 350, but it doesn't seem to want to stay there. Okay, now we got Susan. She's putting on the sausage. And you know, it's just normal breakfast sausage. You buy in like that, what, half-pound chub?
Yeah, I think it's a
quarter pound.
Yeah, it's about a pound, maybe a little bit less.
And we pre-cooked that. Putting on some bell peppers. Remember, these are pizzas. You guys can put anything you want on them. And yes, the tablecloth is a schmog. And we got some onions going on. Okay, now it's oven time. Okay. Remember guys, you gotta oil the pans before you put them on. Mine's going on the bottom, right?
No, this is going on top. It's done.
Mine's going on top. The crust is a little thinner. Okay, you don't have to. We got Susan's going on the bottom. For some reason, it's not sliding.
That's fine.
And we drop them in. As long as you don't get hung up on your stove. Now we just sit and wait for a couple minutes. Okay, just doing a quick little check on the pizzas. They're looking pretty good. Alright guys, I've turned the stove off now. As we lift this, you can see the pizzas are done. Hey guys, here are the pizzas. Don't mind the stove, it's got probably close to 30 years of use. But yeah, here are the pizzas. Done is probably what, about 10 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
About 10 minutes. Eating time now.